Hey guys, it's Joe with VMP. We're here with Dale's 2012 Mustang Boss 302 with a Paxton 2200 Supercharger. Let's get her all dialed in and see what she makes. So we just got done making the pole in Dale's 2012 Boss 302. The car made 904 rear wheel horsepower and 615 pound-feet of torque with the Paxton 2200 HD at about 18 pounds of boost. In addition to the Paxton 2200, Dale also has a 4 Innovations fuel system in the car with a set of ID 1300cc injectors and a set of long tube headers on the car. If you have a supercharged Boss or just a supercharged Mustang GT or Shelby that you're looking to get tuned, make sure you hit us up at the sales and support line. And if you want to see more content like this, hit the like, share, and subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications.